Hi guys, my name is Bhavesh and I would like to welcome back you guys back to my channel. So in our previous video, I created a custom conversion on Facebook ads account. Now, if you want to delete a particular conversion or a custom conversion, I will show you how to do it in this particular video. So for the first, if you want to delete a custom conversion, go to the Events Manager tab. You have to be in your business account or the Business Manager account. That I don't need to tell you. Okay. So from here, like once you reach here, you can click on this tab here of custom conversions. You can go there, and here you can see that I have a blog view custom conversion that I created just a few minutes back, like in the previous video. So what I can do is, if I want to delete this particular custom conversion, I'll simply click on this and I'll click on manage. Now from here, you can either rename this, you can add description, you can add conversion value, or if you click this drop down button, you can also delete it. Okay, but before deleting, I would like to show you that you can also share this particular custom conversion with a different ad account or with a partner if you would like to do that. Now for the purpose of this video, we'll delete this. So we'll click on delete and we'll confirm it. Okay, and as simple as that, like just because of that, this particular custom conversion has been deleted. So guys, I hope you learned something from this, and if you did, do hit the like button, and you can comment if you want to learn something specific or if you have any questions. Also hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos that are coming up, and thank you so much for watching.